Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix the unable to connect to EA servers or connection failed error in Battlefield 6. So the process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, before we start changing settings on your computer, we need to make sure the problem isn't actually on EA's end. So if their servers are down for maintenance or an outage, no amount of troubleshooting will fix it. So what you have to do is open your web browser of any choice. Then, in your browser, just search for Battlefield Server Status and then hit Enter. Now open the first option right over here, and right over there, you should be able to see all the current running servers. Right at the top, you should be able to see Battlefield 6 as well. You can also check on the website if there is any issue in your current area. This particular website will tell you that, and as you can see, there is no issue with the servers in any specific area. If you see a lot of reports or a red status bar, you just have to wait it out because there is a server issue that is stopping you from going online or is making the connection issue, and it can only be fixed once the servers are back. So, now, if the servers are all good, then the next most common cause for this error is a glitch in your computer's network cache. So we are going to completely flush your internet settings using a command prompt. This is very safe and often fixes connection issues instantly. So here is what you need to do. Firstly, go to your Windows search bar and search for CMD, then open it as an administrator. Now it's crucial that you open this as an administrator. Now we are going to type in 5 specific commands. You need to type each one of them separately, so you can always copy and paste from the description box below. So just go and paste one by one. First type ipconfig /release, then hit Enter. Next, type ipconfig /flushdns, then hit Enter. Now after that, type ipconfig /renew, then Enter. Then type netsh int ip reset, and then hit Enter. And finally, type netsh winsock reset, and then hit Enter. Now once you've run all the 5 commands, close the black window or the command prompt, and then restart your computer. This restart is needed to apply the changes, and once you have completed the restart successfully, all of your issues should be fixed now. If restarting your network didn't work, Windows Security or Antivirus might be blocking the game from talking to the EA server, so we need to make sure the game files are allowed through. So now let's check your firewall and ransomware protection. So what we do is just simply open your Start menu and type Windows Security. Now, open Windows Security right over here. Now, inside Windows Security, just simply go to Virus and Threat Protection. Just simply scroll down and click on Manage Ransomware Protection right over here. Now, over here, just simply enable the option right over here, then just simply click on Allow an App Through Controlled Folder Access right over here. Now, the next thing that you have to do, you have to click on Allow an App. Then just simply choose Browse All Apps, and then simply navigate to the location where your Battlefield 6 is installed. So simply go to that location. Now, once you reach the installation directory, you should find the game exe, which is right over here. So click on it. Once you've selected that, click on Open, and that should be added. Now, again, click on Add, go to Browse All Apps, and this time just simply add the anti-cheat right over here. Now, once those are added, you can go back to the main Windows Security option over here, click on Firewall and Network Protection, and then just simply select Allow an App Through Firewall. Now over here, just click on Change Settings. Then click on Allow Another App, and then add those same game files right over here as well, and make sure to make them both public and private. All you have to do is click on Browse, go to the location of the game, then add both of them one by one. Click on Add, and as you can see, Battlefield is already added. So now just simply add the anti-cheat. Again, it is already added. So once you've added both of them, if they're not available, make sure to allow both public and private. And once you've allowed that, you can just simply click on OK, and then you can simply close the Windows Security. And finally, if you still can't connect, you might have a corrupted file, so we can ask Steam to check it for us. So what you do is just simply open your Steam library, so wait for a few seconds, then go to your library right over here. Just simply find the game that is installed over here. Once you own the game, click on the Settings option, then Properties. Now in Properties, we go to Installed Files, and over here, just click on the option says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let me choose this option, and then this will take a few minutes, but if it finds any broken files, it'll re-download them automatically. So that's it. You should now be able to connect to EA servers and jump into a match without any issue. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.